Hello guys, today I'm going to play Red Plumber Adventure, so let's get started. I just hear you guys, this game was similar to Mario 54. Yeah, you guys are correct. Okay. Oh no, I hate this thing. Okay, let's go. Luckily, have checkpoint. Okay. Jump on big mushroom. Oh man, it doesn't come out. This is a turtle crayon. Get out on the side to get. Oh, so easy. Okay. Oh, there. Okay. Oh. Oh, this way. Okay. This actually beautiful. Is people play this game? Oh yeah. They have 3 people. Okay. They have 3 people play this game. So I think don't have any bugs here. Oh! Ah! Oh no! A walking pineapples! Ah! Ouch. Okay. Wow! 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 Okay, let's go. Let's go. And I made it. Oh, this looks like a pyramid. You need to find a key. Maybe this way. Maybe this way. Maybe this way. Maybe this way. Oh, there's a key. Key door. Ah, so spicy! Ah, so spicy! Ah, so spicy! I'm so spicy! Oh, there's a key. Okay. Ah, so spicy! Ah, so spicy! I so spicy! Ah, so spicy! Oh, that chili can make me run fast. Open it. Oh, yeah, ready. Okay. Let's go down. Underwater world. Wow. This place is cooler than I thought. Oh, jump over there. Okay. Let's jump on fish head. Okay, let's go. Hey! There's a boat cracking. Let's go inside. Oh yeah, done. Let's go up. Okay. Ah! Is that Yoshi? Okay. Oh no, this is dangerous. Ah! Ouch. Bro. Let's go. I hate fire, buddy. Okay, be careful. Be careful. Wow! 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 Ah! Oh! The picnic. Oh, lock bridge. Let's go. Is that volcano? Oh, there's a good 2 guy over there. Oh, maybe this is so simple. Okay, just jump across. Yeah, so simple. So simple. Okay. Wow. Whoa. Okay, let's go up. That ladder. We almost reached to the ladder. Okay, let's go. Hopefully they have checkpoint. Ah, be careful. I hate lava. Okay, let's go. Oh no, I hate this. Phew, I made it. Oh, I hope I don't get full. Okay, phew, I'm safe. Oh, go up there. Woo. Ah! Hey, it looks like I am from the heaven. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Hey, is that a beanstalk? Let's go. Hey, I wonder what's up there. Let's go investigate it. Cha. Cha. What is this? Oh, present. Oh, I got a lucky badge. That's cool. But what? Oh, phew. Phew, luckily I don't get fall. Let's go to the beanstalk. Beanstalk, 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 beanstalk. Phew, I made it. Oh, this is dangerous. Let's go. Up way to that thing. Up to the gate, David. Okay, let's go. Let's go down. Okay. Can you make it to the forest maze? Of course I made it. Of course I can. I just used this. Oh, mushroom. Ah, nothing with the mushroom. Okay. Over here and oh, what is this thing? Oh no. Wait, let's study it again. Okay. Let's go.